Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can create professional tech videos using AI, all for free. We'll cover three essential components: script writing, voiceover, and screen recording and editing. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about script writing. For this, we will use ChatGPT. However, you can also use other tools like Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Meta AI. Open any chatbot and prompt it to write the script for the video you want to make. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete script ready for your video. Next up is the voiceover. There are many AI tools available for this, such as 11 Labs, Lovo AI, and Speechify. Among these, 11 Labs stands out because it offers a free voiceover feature with the best quality. Use 11 Labs to create a voiceover that engages your audience. Finally, let's move on to screen recording and editing. For this process, we will use Filmora, as it provides both screen recording and editing in one software. Open Filmora and start recording by pressing the record button at the top of the media bin. Adjust the clicking effects and other settings to showcase your recording more effectively. Record the procedure of the website or software you want to showcase. Once you're done, stop the screen recording. Now, drag it to the timeline and do editing. Synchronize the media with the voiceover and adjust the scenes. You can use different effects and sticker to make your video more engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.